Hey guys, I got an unboxing video for you today. This is the Eagle One Pro from Varla. Now I reviewed two other scooters of theirs, the Eagle One and the Pegasus. This is just the updated version of the Eagle One, and it's got some pretty cool stuff with this one. I just checked out the stats. You got dual motors, 1,000 watt per motor, a 60 volt, 20 amp hour lithium battery. It's got a 45 mile range, a top speed of 45 miles per hour, 35-degree hill climbing ability, dual hydraulic brakes, and full suspension. So I'm gonna bust it open and show you what we got. Okay, where are my tools? Let's bust this thing open. And this is pretty heavy. Get these guys out of there. And I realize that's upside down. Wonderful. Got some big old tires on that. Wow, there's my hands. Okay, so I'm just gonna lean this on its side. Very gently. Don't worry, pups, I got this. You just do your thing. Okay, there you go. This looks pretty sweet. Give me the lush. Give me the lush. Oh, thank you. Got this stem wrapped up pretty good. Keeping it safe. I like it. Ooh, and I like this design as well. I'm happy to see that. There it is. Varla. I love swing arm suspension. I like the color. Black, white, and this kind of tealish color. Okay, I'm gonna fold this up. That is a beefy knob. All right, so handlebars, just 4 screws here. Gotta loosen them up and attach that and we'll be good to go. You can rotate these a little back, forward, so you can expand the cockpit area a little bit. And they are, bowl shaped, so it gives you, probably 4 inches from the stem height. Get these guys started. Pups, you comfortable? You need any water, food, snack? No? Okay, do your thing. I'll just stay here and do this. Got this locking pin. That's kind of cool. Has a nice purple strap on it. The only thing that comes with it is this box. Well, they have the LCD screen. Usually that's on the handlebars already, but not with this one. And a bag of extra brake pads. The classic standard Allen wrench set. Got about 1,000 of those. And I read this does have 2 charging ports. In fact, I can see them right here on the side. And so it only comes with 1 charger, but you do have that option to pick up 2. Pops, what you doing, huh? You coming back to say hi? This is just gonna straddle the stem. There's no rubber sleeves. It's just straight plastic to the stem, which hopefully that'll stay firm and stationary. Oh, that is stationary, so that's good. You got some Varla dog tags here, it looks like. There's 2 wires coming out of the screen. You got 2 wires here. This is to the control pad. Of all the scooters that I put together and bikes, I've only messed up this connection 1 time. We are connected. Peel off this plastic piece over the screen. Oh yes. Okay, well, it's not turning on, so obviously there's something that I am not aware of. Got to go do some more research, figure out what's going on here. I thought these were dog tags, but they are not. They have a purpose. I had to go look online to figure out what that was. But once you hit the power button on, that light flashes. You just tap this, and scooter is unlocked and ready to rock. And you do have 2 of these. Okay, there she is, the Varla Eagle Pro in all of her glory and majesty. I'll have the full review out in about a week to a week and a half, so stay tuned for that.